Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's quick video, we'll split into two parts. The first part will be the updates of my portfolio, and the second part will be my take for the current stock market situation and what will be my action plan going forward. Alright, market is still at an all-time high. So after Jerome Powell's speech on last Friday at Jackson Hole, economists say Powell's speech indicated a greater willingness to actually cut interest rates despite the tariffs and the inflation pressures. So Jerome Powell also noted that the risk of a weakening jobs market and slowing overall growth. Hence, with what Jerome Powell's speech, the futures market actually put an 89% chance that a rate cut may happen in September, probably like a quarter point cut in September. So after this speech, the US stock market actually went up by quite a bit. You can see from the chart here. SPY closing on last Friday, so it went up from 637, the low of 633 on Thursday, to the high of this 645 for SPY on Friday. And we take a look at the Nasdaq. You can also see that on Friday itself, Nasdaq shoot up from Thursday low of 560 to Friday high of 573. So I think most investors are pretty happy with their portfolio at this moment. And let us take a look at my current portfolio now. So the portfolio funds is at about $5,300. So profits is around $85 over here. So these are the current holdings of shares that I have. So you can see most of the stocks are doing well. So highest with ELF at about 24% profits, and then next is FT&T Fortinet at 12%. The rest single digit, 6%, 3%, 3%. Yeah, I mentioned I entered at slightly earlier during the pullbacks. This profit, especially ELF, has shown a very nice profit over the last month. Okay, that's all for my portfolio. So personally, I'm not quite sure whether this uptrend will continue when the market opens on Monday, and we have to monitor and we'll have to see how. Yeah, if you are looking at long-term investment, it doesn't really matter so much for you as long as you pick the right company, the right stock. It shouldn't matter too much to you if you are a long-term investor. So I have took some profits over the past week on those stocks that I have long gains. I have took some cash out from my portfolio, not from this portfolio, from my main account. I personally do feel that the market may have a little correction, maybe soon or maybe not so soon. Yeah, no one knows. So if the market really happens to have a correction or something like that, and I'll see and monitor how big is the drop, and then if I can see, and then I will see if there's a chance or opportunity for me to add some shares of my favorite companies. That will be my action plans going for the future. So if not, I'll be happy to keep my cash first, because I feel that most of the companies that I wanted to add is already quite high. Unless they drop, if not, I will not be considering adding more shares. I will also not be selling more puts, because for the same explanation, market is really at an all-time high and a lot of stocks are all really up, going higher and higher. And then back to my cash top up. I actually my plan is to every month I will top up $300 of Singapore dollars to this account. So in order for me to increase the cash portion, so when the chance comes, I will invest the money. So that's it for today's sharing. So I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before you invest in your own money. And if you have any questions, just leave in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.